Hello and welcome to English with Jason. Today I need to do lots of things. I need to make my bed, do some exercise, make a phone call, do some shopping, and I need to make lunch. I'm going to be as busy as a bee. Today we're going to take a look at do and make. First I'll explain the grammar and give you examples, and then I have a test for you. So make sure you hang around for that. Oh, and if you're new around here, please hit that juicy red subscribe button. Okay, today's lesson is all about do and make. This exercise always reminds me of teaching English in Germany. Germans make a lot. In Deutschland, wir machen alles. But in English, we need to do some things and make some things. In general, we use make when we produce or create something. For example, we make breakfast, lunch and dinner. I make a cup of tea or coffee. I can make a table or chair. I can make pizza, a pie. We often make things with our hands. We can also use make to describe the material that I use to make it. Wine is made from grapes. My bracelet is made of cotton. Or to explain an object's origin. Made in China. My bracelet was made in Thailand. Whereas do is a general word for an action. For example, I do work. I do tasks, jobs and chores. I do my shopping. I do my hair in the morning. Maybe you do your nails. I can do exercise. But we can't make exercise in English. It's not possible. We also use do when we talk about things we do in general. Do you like fish? Yes, I do. Do you eat fish? Yes, I do. It's delicious. Do you eat peanut butter? No, I don't. I don't like it. What do you do? I'm an English teacher. This question means, what's your job? Do you drive to work? No, I don't. I ride my bike. Where do you live? I live in Oxford. There are things we do in general. Understand? Okay, let's see if you do, because it's time for our test. Okay, round one. Please complete these sentences with make or do. Number one. What did you at the weekend? Number two, you paper from wood. Number three, when I get home, I need to my homework. And number four, I'm going to a cup of tea. Okay, right, let's check those. So, number one, what did you do at the weekend? Number two, you make paper from wood. Number three, when I get home, I need to do my homework. And number four, I'm going to make a cup of tea. All right, round two. Number five, what do they in that factory? Number six, I'm going to the gym to some exercise. Number seven, what do you? I'm an engineer. Number eight, I have to phone my dentist and an appointment. Okay, let's check those. All right then, number five, what do they make in that factory? Number six, I'm going to the gym to do some exercise. Number seven, what do you do? I'm an engineer. Number eight, I have to phone my dentist and make an appointment. Okay, round 3. Number 9. Do you like steak? Yes, I. Number 10. I need a list before I go shopping. And number 11. Why do you always the same mistake? 12. Can you me a favour, please? Right, let's check your answers. Okay, number 9. Do you like steak? Yes, I do. Number 10. I need to make a list before I go shopping. Number 11. Why do you always make the same mistake? And number 12. Can you do me a favour, please? That's a great exercise. There were some tricky ones in there. Okay, so how did you do? Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this lesson, then please hit that like button. And remember, keep learning because life never stops teaching.